What's going on, you guys? My name is Charles. This is the Traders Corner. Today, I'm going to be showing how to make a copy of the TTC live trading dashboard. Now, you went ahead and clicked on the link to download this dashboard. I want to show you how to actually make a copy of it so you don't have to request access from me to edit the original dashboard. Because if you edit the original dashboard, everybody who tries to download the dashboard after you is going to see that information. So I can't grant you access to edit the original dashboard. What I'll show you, again, like I said today, what I'll show you today is how to make a copy of the dashboard so you can edit it completely fine, knowing that nobody's going to see your information and you're not editing the original dashboard itself. So let's go ahead and look at that. So it's a very simple process. We're going to go ahead and click File, and then we're going to click Make a Copy. At this point, you can name the dashboard whatever you want to name it. We'll just go ahead and click Make a Copy, right? And now you are able to edit this dashboard as you see fit, knowing nobody's going to see the information that comes behind you in terms of anybody who downloads the dashboard after you. On top of that, you know you're not editing the original dashboard itself, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it provided some value to you, and join us again next time.